Happy Thursday morning to you, Facebook. Hopefully, this finds you in a great day. We had a wonderful day yesterday. We were able to accomplish so much, and it's just been a good week. And the most part, we've had a few upside down jobs, but every week has those. So you're just gonna have to accept and deal and continue on. Are your lack of maintaining your water heater you causing your own problems with no hot water? Stay tuned, we're going to talk about that. If you're watching live, type in live. If you're watching replay, type in replay. If you're watching on YouTube, go to that little red button, subscribe. You don't want to miss these lives, they're great. We give you a wealth of knowledge. So we've had a lot of issues lately with water heaters, and the biggest common problem in most of these water heaters is just lack of maintenance. And 90% of it is that you as the homeowner don't know what to do. Scary, right? Water heaters. Natural gas, electricity, can be scary. But we're going to show you today some of the things that you can do to maintain your water heater to prevent these things from taking place, where you prevent yourself from having to call us, the plumber, in to take care of your jobs. Let's go ahead and start. I'm going to flip you around and kind of explain to you on the natural gas side of some things that are causing issues and what we need to do to prevent it. Let's flip you around. So I've got a bunch of different parts here from water heaters. Back in the day, they used to have a regular water heater, a natural gas water heater would have this little device in there that set in front of your pilot light.